Today, we'll be doing a quick unboxing on a TP-LINK 8-port switch. Ready, set, go. Welcome back, guys, and welcome back to another unboxing. First of all, if this is your first time watching a video of mine, welcome, and I hope you enjoy. Today, we're doing a pretty quick unboxing and overview on the TP-LINK 8-port switch. A lot of consumers, including myself until recently, get confused when it comes to the differences between a router and a switch. The bottom line is that switches create networks. A router connects networks to each other or to the internet. So having a switch will allow multiple household items like gaming systems, smart TVs, and computers to connect to each other. But you'll still need a router to connect to the vast world that's out there on the internet. Alright, enough about the talk, let's get it open.
Alright guys, before we crack this thing open, let's look at a couple of the specs here in the box. You can see a bunch of numbers that really don't mean no much, but you can see it is 10, 100, and 1 gigabyte ports. It does give the standard. It does have LEDs that show the link speed and activity. They change color, which is cool. Dimensions, 6.2 inches wide, 4 deep, and 1 inch high. So actually it's pretty small. Yeah, you can see here it's about the size of my hand, which is pretty tiny for a switch. Here's a model number, TL-SG108. Some other specs here in the box. It just gives some system requirements. RJ45 obviously, and it works with pretty much any computer you have. It'll work fine, Linux included. On the back here, just gives some diagrams of how it's set up, what the product does, which hopefully you know if you're watching this video. Some of the features, up to 2,000 megabits full duplex bandwidth, which is pretty cool. Tells the Ethernet port speeds again. Here on the side, tells you what's in it. And basically that's it. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, here's our interior box. See if I can figure out how to get this thing open. There we go. Inside, first thing I see is some instructions here. We shouldn't need, this is unmanaged switch, basically plug and play, shouldn't need too much instruction with it. Some warranty info, stuff like that. And here is the meat and potatoes. Nice small 8-port switch. You can see right off the bat this is made of metal. So that's really good, high quality. It's not plastic, it's not gonna crush or melt. It does have 8 ports here on the front. Our LEDs right there, power LED, some vent in the side for airflow. On the back we have mounting holes. You can mount this either vertical or horizontal, as you can see. On the back, there's nothing there except the lock and our power connector. So pretty straightforward. That's it. Once again, it is metal. It is sturdy. Let's see what else we got in the box here. We have our power adapter. That is it. Completely empty. There's just a standard power adapter here. I believe that's 9 volts it looks like. So take that for what you will. And then just a quick look at our instructions here. It tells you what the LEDs do, how to hook it up. Pretty straightforward. It's not rocket science here. This is a plug-and-play type device, so should be pretty easy to figure out.
So I hope this overview helps you out and that maybe you learned something today. These switches have a whole industry all of their own. They range anywhere from 4 ports all the way to over 100 ports, and the prices can range up into the thousands. But for the average homeowner who just needs to expand their home's wired network to add a few more devices, this TP-LINK will work great. So once again, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe button to be alerted to all my future videos. Also, be sure to leave a comment and tell me what you'd like to see unboxed and reviewed next. So until next time, this is Adam for Let's Open It. See ya. Cool. See what else we got. All right, next, we have a box here. It says Cattleman's Cutlery. Huh.